Hey guys, I'm still wondering if I could find a great app to cash out. Sergi here, and today I'm back with another app called Fun Task Craze. Let's see if we get crazy doing these tasks. First of all, I wanna say thank you to my first subscribers. Yay! Okay, let's go to the app. The minimum amount that we need to cash out is 200 bucks. They provide several options to collect virtual money, playing in-games or watching videos. I'll stick with watching ads. While we are getting closer to 200 bucks, the rewards are getting lower. Now finally I have more than 200 bucks and I can cash out. They are displaying 8 platforms I may use, but I only have PayPal account. Entering my account, now I need to watch 40 ads and there is time to complete it. Frankly speaking, I didn't have time to watch all of them and timer got to 0. But it still allows me to finish it. 39 and all done. Now I have the position 274 and now they want me to compete with everybody else to get my rewards. So they say by doing tasks or watching videos I will be taking somebody's position. Let me put on fast forward here. Every time screen changes it means I watched 3 ads. When I get closer to the first place, it becomes harder. So sometimes I even get pushed back because someone takes my place. After doing it for a while, I realized that I cannot reach the first place, even if I watch the ads continuously with no breaks. And if I stop for some time, I'm pushed back a lot. So I don't want to spend more time to earn money for them. I would call this app fake.